Hi, so 10 months later I've decided to do another video. This one is a teapot which I have decorated with Sharpie pens because I'd seen people writing on mugs and things knocking about on the internet, and I thought that looks like something I want to do, and I just happened to have a blank teapot, so this is that. So firstly I want to say that drawing on a teapot with a Sharpie has to be one of the most relaxing things I've done in a while, and so if you're in need of a bit of therapy I would recommend it. It's very smooth, very calming. And secondly, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with the teapot when I started, other than I wanted it to be kind of minimal, and obviously I put black and white stripes on everything, so I started from there and seen what happened. In the beginning I didn't think that I was going to put any colour on it and it was just going to be a black and white teapot, but then as time went on I kind of surprised myself and put in some orange and green just to break it up a bit, because I didn't just want a black and white stripy teapot, I wanted to make it something a bit different, you know. But yeah, I quite liked how it ended up looking with a Sharpie pen. It doesn't look like I'd done it with a pen, to be honest, in my opinion, but I'm not sure how long it's going to last or if I should put some kind of varnish on it, because I'm pretty sure it's going to just all chip off after a while. So yeah, also I suddenly noticed that I had over 1,000 subscribers on here, and thank you for subscribing if you have, and if you haven't, subscribe. But seriously, thank you, that's really cool. And kind of off the back of that, I am going to try and make a few more videos in the coming future, more than once every 10 months. But if you do want to see more of my artwork, I do stream more regularly on Twitch these days than I have been making videos. So you could always check out my artwork there. Or not. You don't have to. But yeah, teapot, these are the last few details. Added a few dots in, a bit more colour, and yeah, I've finished. So I guess that's it. I'll see you in another 10 months. Just kidding. But yeah, bye.